Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this segment, we're going to be doing a paint restoration, a full paint correction on my 2011 Kenworth T800. We're going to take the paint from this to this. As you guys can see, the paint on this unit is quite bad. It's very faded. It's got phantom deckling from the previous owners, as well as lots of oxidization and debris on the paint. For this project, I'm using my new Griot's G21 buffer. This is a 21 mil throw dual action polisher. Just picked it up before starting this project, and I have to say, I really do like it. I figured it would only be appropriate to use Griot's very own fast correcting cream. This is part of their Boss or Best of Show system lineup. So far, I have to say that this product is quite good. It does cut quite deep. It finishes very well. I was using it on their fast correcting pad, which is like their heavier cut pad. I think that was a little bit too aggressive for this paint, and it wasn't providing the finish that we wanted. So got the system really dialed in with their orange pad as well as this compound. So something to keep in mind when you're using a polisher of any sort is you want to start with a clean surface. Any dirt or grime on there is just going to act as an abrasive, and it's not going to allow your compound to do the work. It'll basically leave you with a poor finish, and just you'll be displeased with the results. So start with a clean surface, and then kind of spread out your polish or your compound on your pad. You don't want to use too much because it'll tend to throw it as it's rotating. Just don't get overwhelmed by how much surface area you have to polish. Start and keep your work areas small. And you're going to take your pad and you're going to kind of dab it on, spread it out so it doesn't fling as soon as you fire up your machine. And then you're going to start at a low speed and kind of work your way up, doing a crosshatch pattern. So you're going to go that way, and then you're going to switch it up, do the crosshatch that way, and you're going to repeat that. I like to do 4 to 6 passes in each direction, applying moderate pressure, and then you can clean up the surface and see where you're at, whether you need to go, more aggressive or lighter, or just kind of get a feel of how your paint is correcting. So here we're going to spread it out. It's kind of hard with one hand holding the camera. So here we are, just working that crosshatch pattern, applying moderate pressure. And you can see that paint starting to really shine up. You want to just take your time. You want to cover each area evenly, or you won't have you'll have a spotty finish. So you're going to want to keep on it until you start seeing the results you want. So for this, I ended up doing 4 cross hatches, so 4 strokes in each direction. I cleaned it off, I reapplied compound to the pad, and then did that a second time, and that's leaving us with an excellent finish. Keep in mind, this being a commercial vehicle, the results that we're chasing are going to be a little less perfect than what I would want on, say, a expensive sports car or something like that. I mean, the difference just between that and that is insane. So, very happy with how things are coming out so far. We're going to keep at it. So as you can see, we're starting to see some favorable results. Just like that, by working little bits by little bits, you can really see the difference. All right, so the top of the hood and the whole driver's side is kind of where we want to see it. So we are going to close the hood now and start working on the passenger side of the hood and the fender. All right, this concludes our work for the night.